There are several forms that are used as you progress through an application, and those can be entered here. Let's do the vet check. Click on Submit a new form. The name field will autofill. Just give it a few moments. Select the form. In this case, it will be vet check. Since you are the one working on the application that goes with this form, assign it to yourself. Answer each question and save. Now when you go to the home page, and go to My Forms, you'll see that there are now two forms for this applicant. The first is the application, and the second is the vet check that you just did. Open the second form and note that it's the vet check. Click View Answers if you'd like to review it. Answers can be edited by clicking the Edit button while in the form, or by using the Edit button on the previous page. If you fully work through an application, there will be 4 forms for each applicant, and they'll show up in the order that you submitted them. The order may vary sometimes, but typically the application is the first form, followed by the vet check, then the interview form, and the home visit form will be last. Let's quickly do a telephone interview form. Same procedure, submit a new form. Wait for the name to load, and select the form. Assign the form to yourself. Answer each question and save. Back to the home page and My Forms, and you'll see that there are now 3 forms for the applicant. The home visit form is different. If you've done the home visit yourself, you'd follow the same procedure. However, the home visit is typically done by someone else, and normally that person wouldn't have an RG account. So you'll have to send them the link to the home visit form. The volunteer just needs to click on that, and they can access the form that way. To find the form, go to the search bar on the left, select Contacts, and type in home visit. Make sure it's one word. Open the contact entry, and the link is in the comments section. You can also bookmark this link in your browser for easy access. When a volunteer agrees to do the home visit, be sure to forward both the link to the form as well as the application. Here I've typed a quick note to the volunteer and have pasted the link to the form. I'm then going to go to the application, select the text, copy, and paste. As you progress through the application, it's helpful to update its status. That way it's easy for anyone to see where the application is in the process. Go to Edit Form Details. Some of these statuses are approved, under review, and waiting on home visit, landlord, applicant, or vet check. You can also update the steps on the application so you can quickly tell where you left off. The options are pass-fail, but it's also used for yes-no. For example, you would use pass when you've sent the introductory email. Finally, when you're finished with an application, the status of all forms associated with that application need to be updated to reflect the final outcome. This will also close the application and remove it from the My Forms section. This is extremely important because the system bogs down when there are too many open forms. To change the status of the form, again, go to Edit Form Details. The statuses that will close out the form are adopted, adopted elsewhere, canceled, denied, and expired. Expired is used if an applicant didn't get back to you. Let's go ahead and close out these forms so that they're removed from the active queue. If the application resulted in an adoption, you'll want to wait until after the contract is issued before updating the status to adopted. The other statuses can be updated at any time.